So Montefiore Homes' mission is to be a leading provider of aged care within the aged care sector around home care as well as residential care, and they would like to be the leader and provide quality of life for the Jewish community. Team collaboration is very important to the organisation, and as we go forward to move towards a philosophy of life, style of care, it's very important that we have the team from across the 4 different sites, singing from the same song sheet, so to speak. So collaboration is very key, and also there's a lot of change in documentation and training and policies that all needs to be done in an easy form. Probably some of the biggest things we struggled with before with collaboration in the existing software packages was that you would essentially need to be in the same room to be able to make an effort on moving forward with the project. It was a lot of emails, a lot of reply alls, a lot of issues going backwards and forwards, and very difficult for one person to be able to drive that forward and effectively have a team consensus on an issue.
So we're liberating customers from the constraints of their existing IT. If you look to workforce liberation, then that's more about how do I get my workforce to be able to access information from wherever they are, whatever device they want, and that's generally through a browser. So whether that browser is on a laptop or a Chrome device or a tablet, doesn't really matter. And that's underpinned by Citrix, Google and Amazon Web Services. So Montefiore were looking for us to liberate their workforce, to allow them to work across multiple locations and to be able to collaborate. If you look at a tool like Google Apps, most people would look at Google Apps and say Gmail. But the difference for this particular customer is that email is just one form of being able to collaborate with each other. You send an email, you wait for a response, it can take a minute, it can take 3 days. Collaboration is more than that, and what Google Apps allows you to do is that you can see if somebody's actually online through the instant messenger, and if they are online but don't want to be disturbed, they can tell your fellow employee that. You can have one click to either call them or one click to create a video conference, which is very, very useful. And then, perhaps more importantly, it's about then collaborating using documents, whether it's slides, it's documents, it's spreadsheets, and actively see the different users and what they're doing. So you can say, hey, what about this phrase, and actually type it, so that at the end of the meeting, you've actually got a finished document. So you don't need to email it to different people. You don't have version 36 and version 37, different people working from different documents. It's all there, and it just works.
Google Apps has liberated our team and organisation in terms of working on document collaboration. That's been a major impact on what we've been doing to date. It's saved us a lot of time. It's given a lot of our staff a big motivation, like they see it as something new and innovative, and we're making new changes and strides. The experience with Front has been very professional, and the account management team have been fantastic to deal with. We're also quite involved with the engineering guys on innovative ways of doing things, and enjoy sharing different ways of solving problems.